Hi guys, welcome to the chemistry class again. Today we want to continue with our classification of alkanols. Last time we dealt with classification based on the number of OH group or hydroxyl group present in the alkanol. Today we are going to look at another system of classification based on the number of alkyl groups attached to the carbon bearing the OH group, or classification based on the kind of carbon that bears the OH group. In the classification of alkanol, based on number of alkyl group or the kind of carbon bearing the OH group, you should note this, that all alkanols must contain a special carbon that has OH group. This carbon, this particular carbon, is known as carbinol carbon. It is the nature of this carbinol carbon that determines the class of the alkanol. Now, primary alkanol is an alkanol that contains at least a primary carbinol carbon. What is primary carbinol carbon? Primary carbinol carbon is the carbinol carbon bonded to one other carbon. A primary carbinol carbon, that is 1 degree carbinol carbon, is a carbinol carbon bonded to one other carbon. For instance, you have a carbinol carbon bonded to another carbon, and the two other bonds remaining are bonded to 2 hydrogen atoms. This is a primary alkanol. Secondary alkanol, 2 degree alkanol, is the alkanol that contains a secondary carbinol carbon. What is secondary carbinol carbon? A secondary carbinol carbon is bonded to 2 other carbon atoms. Example, COH. This is a carbinol carbon bonded to 2 other carbon atoms with 1 hydrogen. So this is a secondary alkanol. Now let's move to tertiary alkanol. A tertiary alkanol contains a tertiary carbinol carbon, where a carbinol carbon is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms with no hydrogen. So this is a tertiary alkanol. So let's look at examples. What kind of alkanol is this? Okay. Okay, in these examples, to find out the one that is primary, secondary, or tertiary, is just to go straight to the carbon bearing the OH. This is the carbon. Now, this carbon is bearing the OH group. This particular carbon is bonded to only one other carbon. So this is primary alkanol. Look at this carbon in this alkanol. It is bonded to 2 different carbon atoms. So this is secondary alkanol. Here, the carbon is bonded to 3 different carbon atoms. So this is tertiary alkanol. Further examples. Let's look at this. These compounds, how can we verify if each of them is either primary, secondary, or tertiary? Maybe you don't understand skeletal formula, but let's take number 1. Number one, this is the same thing. Every point here represents a carbon atom. Every point represents a carbon atom. So we have 5 points. So this is pentanol, CH3, CH2, 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 and OH. This is pentanol. Pentanol, look at the carbinol carbon there. It is bonded to 1 other carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, this is primary alkanol. So number two, Number 2 is this. What is this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. But the OH is at the second carbon atom. So the compound is CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2H, and the CH3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Butan 2-ol or 2-butanol. 2-butanol. Look at the carbinol carbon here. It's bonded to 2 different carbon atoms. Therefore, this is secondary alkanol. Secondary alkanol. We move to number 3. Number 3, this. How many points there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, OH, and finally CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pentan 2-ol. The same with the other one. Is it the same? No, it's not the same. The other one is butan 2-ol. This is pentan 2-ol or 2-pentanol. Just you target the carbinol carbon. Target it. It's bonded to 2 different carbon atoms. So this is secondary alkanol. Secondary alkanol. Finally, number 4. Number 4. This compound is the carbon atoms there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means CH3, CH2, C branch CH3, branch CH3, and OH. So to number the longest carbon chain here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have at the second carbon we have methyl branch, so is 2-methyl butan 2-ol or 2-methyl 2-butanol. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what class of alkanol? Look at that carbinol carbon bonded to 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms, 3 different carbon atoms. Therefore, this is tertiary alkanol. Tertiary alkanol. In our next class, we are going to talk about allylic and benzylic alkanol. Thank you very much.